Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today I just wanted to give you a quick flip through of the classic Easter collection papers. They're absolutely gorgeous, and they're really lovely colour. It's sort of like a bluey greeny colour, I would say, and they are so pretty. So I'm just going to give a quick flip through because what I wanted to do, I'm going to make something with them, and I'm going to coffee stain them as well, just on the back because they're white and I didn't print them on some coffee stain paper, so I just want to coffee stain them as well, and I'm going to make a few bits and pieces with them, and I think they are absolutely gorgeous. I adore this little rabbit here. I think he is wonderful. Isn't that lovely? Wouldn't that look lovely on the front of a journal? I think he is just so handsome, a handsome little bunny rabbit. So we have got 6 main pages, and then I've also done 6 sort of like backing papers. So this is a lovely Easter music paper. That's the Mr. Little Bunny there again. So these ones, the backing pages are sort of like a little bit more sort of popped into the background, so you could journal over the top of these as well if you wanted to. They are absolutely beautiful. I'm loving them. Now this one you don't even have to use as the Easter papers. It's a really nice shabby page on there, and also this one here, which are lovely. There's a little one there. So we've got 6 backing papers and 6 just nice papers, the main papers, and then the 6 main papers again I popped down into little postcard sizes. So that's the 4 there and 2 there, and then we've got some lovely little Easter eggs and some little Easter bunnies, which can make into little dingly danglies or tags. I have got 4 little corner pockets. Now we didn't colour these bits in because they just get turned over and stuck on your page, so there's no point in wasting some ink on there, they are lovely. So there we go. I think they are really nice, and we've got just like a little Easter, it says Happy Easter on there, so it's a little plaque you could pop on there, and then we've got some lovely tags. Whoops, here we go. And these are some really nice little fussy cuts. So you've got 4 lovely fussy cuts, Easter fussy cuts, and 3 big tags. So I'm loving this kit, so I will be making something out of that. I just want to give you a quick flip through it as well. I've got some lovely Easter bags. Now these are the same as the Christmas bags, which are lovely. So you can pop a little Easter gift in here for somebody. And I think they are great. So these are going to be going off to my grandchildren with a little Easter treat in them. So we've got 2 bigger ones, we've got 2 medium ones, which is that one and that one, which are so simple to make. You just cut them out and fold them, really easy. So there's 2 medium ones, we have 2 small ones, and this has got a flap that goes over the top of it, which is nice. So that's the 2 medium, and then we've got the 2 little mini ones here, which are gorgeous. And then we've got some lovely little tags and little Happy Easters there. So I'm loving these. Tags are beautiful, really lovely. So that's the flip through of the Easter bags and tags, and then we have the beautiful Easter papers. So I'm going to be using these, so I will be back and I will show you what I've done. Hi guys, so I'm back with a few things that I've made from those digital papers, and I'm absolutely loving these. I've got 3 little journals here. They are all made with the same paper. This is just one of the digital packs, and I've managed to make sort of like 3 different journals. Well, these 2 aren't finished, but this one is, so I'm going to just show you this one. And I've also made some lovely little bags, which I will show you in a minute. First I'll show you this one, because what I've done, like I said before, I've tea stained the paper on here. So all as I did, I'll pop a link below for the video to show you how easy it is. So if your printer doesn't like to take tea stain paper or coffee stain paper, then this is a quick and easy way to do it without smudging any of your ink on the back or the picture. So that's really good. So I'll show you that. So these are the papers, and they're absolutely so pretty and very springtimey, if that makes sense. So this is the ones that I've been starting with. These two I'm just starting on, which I've added the corner pockets here and the little tags, and I've got the Tim Holtz little wildflower dies here as well, which I've added, which I think look really pretty. And this one isn't done, but these are the papers. So I've got 3 little journals, and there's 14 pages in each journal. So I've added alternately a piece of actual tea stain paper in between. Okay, so that makes up the little journal. So I've got 3 lovely ones here. This is the little one with the Happy Easter on it, little bunny. That pocket I put that way, and we've got the little tag in there. I've just backed them with a bit of tea stain paper as well on there, and I've just sewn around that. And then again I've just gone through here, alternate with a bit of tea stain paper and one of the printed pages, like that. So I think they're really nice. So I'm going to just give you a flip through of what's inside this. I haven't put a cover on this. This is just the piece of paper. This is just one of the papers that I printed out onto 160 gram paper, and I've just covered it with a little bit of lace on there, a bit of the seam binding, a little dingly dangly with one of the little eggs on there, and a bit of ribbon on a bulb clip. So you can either put them all together like that and make a big journal with 3 signatures in it, or I thought I just might make 3 just smaller journals, so it's not so hard to do. So if you're not used to making a journal, this is a good way to start. It's just take a few pages and just build on them, just add little bits to them. So this isn't a cover, this is just the paper. I've popped in the little corner pocket there with a little tag, and that's that beautiful little bunny there. I think he's absolutely gorgeous. So that's really simple. I've got the little Happy Easter little fussy cut there. Again, I popped the little Tim Holtz wildflower die on there, and I think that looks so pretty with a little bit of seam binding. One of the little fussy cuts on there, which I've just stuck on there, so you've got all of that to journal. This one I'm loving. So this is just one of the backing papers, and I've made a little notebook on there, and I've just stuck it on there, one of the little wildflowers, a little bit of embellishment there, and a bit of velvet ribbon, and I think that looks really nice on there. And I've made the little egg into a little tuck. This is from my flower journal cards, which I thought worked perfect in there with the daffodils. Little bit of seam binding on there. That's one of the little fussy cuts there. I've made a little tuck with the bunny rabbit on there, a little bit of little velvet bow on him, and then just that's one of the cards. I've just printed those off, and I've just sewn around the outside. So that's a nice journal card. Again, I've made a little tuck with one of the little eggs and the journal card. This is nice. I'm liking this because I do like to pop the little pockets on top of each other. So we've got a beautiful little tag there, and I've got a little journaling sort of card on there with a piece of the scrap paper, the leftovers, and then again one of the Tim Holtz wildflowers there, which have been watercoloured, a little yellow bow which I think looks really pretty, very spring. Another one of the cards from the flower journal kit, journaling cards, and that's the little fussy cut there. These pages I don't think I'm going to do anything with. I think I'm just going to leave them because they're just so nice, and really lovely. Made a little pocket there with one of the little postcards. This is the middle of the book, so you can do whatever you like. You can hang little dingly danglies off there if you like. I've got a little band on there, little belly band, and I've made a little booklet on here. So that's just made from one of the journaling cards like this. I've just folded it over and made a little booklet with it, and then just popped it in there, which I think looks quite pretty, doesn't it? So really simple and easy to do. So that's just a little tuck. These eggs are perfect for little tucks on there, I think. Again, don't need much on the page, just a little fussy cut, not a fussy cut, one of the little wildflower dies and a little bow, and I think that works perfect. This one I've just popped a belly band down the middle. I've folded a envelope in half and made a little booklet here. So that's just an envelope which had already been stuck down when I tea stained it. So I left it, folded it in half, just made a little pocket in there, belly band down the middle, and then I've just slipped that on there like that, and I've just held it on, closed it together with a little paper clip, one of our little embellished paper clips, and I think that looks really nice on there. This one again doesn't need an awful lot. I've just got some lovely purple flowers, so it sort of like matches in there. And then again I've just got a little this is off the journal, flower journal cards, and the little tuck there with the little rabbit in there, little rabbit's head. This one here I've just made 3 little pockets going up through there, so they just alternate. So you've got a tiny little tag in each little pocket, which I think looks cute. This one I'm loving, it's like a little Easter basket, and I've just popped 2 of the little eggs in there, so they just sit in there, so it's like a little page embellishment, which looks so pretty. Lovely little pocket. I've just doubled up the tags, I've stuck this one down, and then I've just popped that one in there as a little pocket, and then I've got another pocket there with another 2 tags in, which looks nice on there. So lots of journaling space. This is the back page, another little corner pocket with one of the postcards in there, and then I've just popped some lace in the middle here, just down through there, which is the same as the outside like that. So that's a quick, simple, lovely little Easter journal. So if you wanted to make some Easter journals, you can make 3 out of one of the digital kits, which are lovely. So I'm going to finish these off, and then I've just tied it together with a little bit of seam binding. So I think they are just so pretty, so simple to do, very quick, and I think it looks really nice. I'm loving this bluey green colour. So I think that looks nice. So I've just done a couple of my bags here. So this is the one here which I've made up. I popped one of our little hat paper clips on there, which I made in the last video, which works perfect on there. So it's like a little Easter hat on the bag, a little dingly dangly there with a bow on it. I've popped some little handles on there, and then I've made a little notebook to go inside. So that is just one of the postcards, which I've just folded in half, added some just some copy paper, and then I've just stapled it together just like that. So simple, and doesn't that look nice? I think it looks a really nice little gift for somebody. Pop that in there. You could pop some little sweeties in there as well. So that's a lovely little Easter gift. This one I have just done. I popped some little eyelets in here, and popped a piece of ribbon around, so you can pop whatever you like in there, and I think these bags are just perfect little gifts. And this is one of the little ones. I've made a little paper clip with one of the eggs with the little ducklings on there. This one just folds over, so you can just clip it down, and all I've got in here is some lovely little chocolate coins. So these are going to be ready to go off to my grandchildren. They like their little treats in their little bags that I send them, so that's nice. Oops, that just folds over, and then we've got the little paper clip that just pings off. I think I've got too many chocolates in there, that's better. And that just goes on there like that, which just says Happy Easter on there. So I am loving these. I think they're really lovely. Beautiful little gift. That would be lovely actually for a wedding gift, wouldn't it? If somebody's got a wedding coming up, you could pop a little gift in there. I think they're beautiful. And this one, and the little hat. So I think they're lovely. So there we go, guys. That's what I've been making with the Easter kits. And I think they are really lovely. Seeing it's spring coming up, It's nice to have some pretty papers with all the daffodils and the lovely spring colours. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're all safe and well and having a lovely day, and I will see you next time. Alright guys, take care. Bye bye.